Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIES Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Boarding. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So, my dear students, let us start our class. Today we shall start a new chapter, new exercise, which is exercise number 4.3. Okay. From 4.3 we shall solve question number 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 11, 12, 13, 19 and 20 as your CW. And question number 15, 16 and 17 will be your HW. I repeat, question number 15, 16 and 17 will be your HW. My dear student, today's lecture number 9 and today's HW number 6. You must do your assigned HW in HW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 am to 3 pm. So, my dear student, let us start our class. At first, we shall solve question number 2. Okay, exercise 4.3. So, 2 number question is 8x cube plus 343. My dear student, the name of the chapter is resolving factors. That means an expression is given, we want to resolve that expression into factors. Suppose 12 is a number, we want to resolve it into factors. So how can 1 multiply 12, then we can write 2 multiply 6, then 3 multiply 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are the factors of 12. So this is the factors, this is the factors and this is the factors. So we convert this expression into factors. Okay, so when we want to resolve an expression into factors, first of all we notice any number is common or not. Okay, after that we notice if the number can we apply any formula in this expression? Okay. So first of all you notice 8x cube plus 343. So no number is common here. So we can write 8x cube. So 2x is the cubic root of 8x cube. So we can write 2x whole cube. Now if we cube up 2 then we get 8. If we cube up x then we get x cube. Similar way 343. 7 multiply 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 multiply 7. 7 nines are 63. Carrying 6. 7 fours are 28. Plus 6, 34. So 343. So 7, 7, 7. If we multiply 7 in 3 times, then we get 343. So 7 is the cubic root of 343. Okay, my dear student. A cube, B cube formula. Which formula is applied here? Here, factorized formula is applied. What is the factorized formula? A cube plus B cube factorized formula is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, so A cube plus B cube. So here A is 2x, B is 7. So 2x plus 7. Then A square means 2x square minus AB. AB means 2x into 7. B means 7 square. Now we do calculation. So 2x plus 7. 2 2s are 4x square, 7 2s are 14x plus 7 7s are 49. This is the answer of this question. I hope you have understood how to solve question number 2 into factors. So 2 number done. Next we shall solve question number 5. Okay, 5 number question is 64a cube minus 125b cube. So first of all you notice any number is common or not? No number is common because this is even number and this is odd number. This is a cube, this is b cube. So we can write 64 as 4 is the cubic root of 64a. If we cube of 4a then we get 64a cube. Similar way 5 is the cubic root of 125 and b is the cubic root of b cube. So we can write 5b whole cube. So a cube minus b cube formula. So what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? The factorized formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now 4a minus 5b, second bracket 4a square plus 4a into 5b plus 5b whole square. Now 4a minus 5b, here 4 4s are 16a square plus 4 5s are 20ab plus 5 5s are 25b square. This is the answer of question number 5. I hope you have understood, my dear student. So 2 and 5 done. Next we shall solve question number 8. In order to solve the question number 8, we erase question number 2 and 5. So first of all we pick up question number 8, which is 56 x cube minus 189 y cube. My dear student, please notice both number is divided by the number 7. So we can take 7 as common. So 7 common. Here if we divide 56 by 7, then we get 8x cube minus. If we divide this number by 7, 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Then 14, when we subtract 14 from 18, then we get 4. 49, in 49 7 goes in 7 times. So 27 y cube. Now my dear student, 8x cube it is. 2x is the cubic root of 8x cube, so we do cube of 2x and we get 8x cube. Similarly, 3y is the cubic root of 7y cube, so 3y cube means this one. Okay, so a cube minus b cube formula. So we can easily write 2x minus 3y and a square means 2x square plus 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Okay, now 7 into 2x minus 3y, 4x square plus 3 2s are 6xy plus 3 3s are 9y square. My dear student, I hope you have understood this question. Okay, next we shall solve question number 11. Question number 11. 11 number question is 3ay square minus 48a. Notice 3a is common from both terms. That means when we take 3a common, that means we divide 3ay square by 3a and we get y square. We divide this 48a by 3a, then we get 16. Okay, now 3a y square minus 4a square. A square minus b square formula, which is a plus b into a minus b, and a is y and b is 4. So y plus 4 into y minus 4. This is the answer of this question. Okay. So 11 number and 12 number, 8 number and 11 both done. Next we shall solve question number 12. So in order to solve the question number 12, we erase question number 11 and 8. So 12 number question is a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b square. Dear student, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula of a minus b whole square, and this is p square. Now we can apply here a square minus b square formula, which is a minus b plus p and a minus b minus b. This is answer. So easy math. Okay. Next we shall solve question number 13. 13 number question is, please notice, 16y square minus a square minus 6a minus 9. Okay. Now please notice 16y square. We take minus common and here left a square minus 6a minus plus 6a plus 9. So when take minus common, then all signs are changed inside of bracket. Okay. So we can write 4y whole square, and it can be written as a square and this is b square plus 2 into a into 3. Okay. So 4y whole square, and it can be written as a plus 3 whole square. Now a square minus b square formula. So 4y plus a plus 3 and 4y. When we do minus, then all the sign inside this bracket are tails. So minus a minus 3. So this is the answer of question number 13. Okay. So 12 and 13 done. Next we shall solve question number 19. Question number 19 is 36 minus 12x plus x square. We can write this as x square minus 12x plus 36. Okay. Now x whole square minus plus 6 whole square. So here 2 into x into 6. That means 6 square means 36. 2 into x into 6, 12x. So nothing new. So here a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write x minus 6 whole square. This is the answer. Okay. 19 number done, and our last number, which is 20 number questions. 20 number question is x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. So we can be written as x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. So here x cube means a, y cube means b. So a square minus b square formula, which is a plus b into a minus b. My dear student, now notice a cube plus b cube formula is here, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now we can write x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. On the other hand, x minus y, so x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, now we arrange the number according to the order x plus y, here x minus y. So x square minus xy plus y square, and it can be written as x square plus xy plus y square. Answer. I hope you have understood. My dear student, question number 15, 16 and 17 will be your case study. My dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.